Anas Sarwar has hit out at former health bosses after they claimed the scandals at the Glasgow campus were being blown out of proportion. The Labour MSP said the comments, made yesterday by former NHS Greater Glasgow and Clyde, NHSGGC, Chief Executive Bob Calderwood and former Chairman Andrew Robertson, were a gross insult to grieving families. Robertson said that politicians didn't really understand what is involved in delivering incredibly complex medical services and added that concerns over contaminated water should be handled calmly and purposefully. He said, "I understand where the parents are coming from, a position of great personal distress, and I have great sympathy for them. There is a wish to see some straightforward quick answer. But just aiming for that does take it out of proportion. It is not in the parents' interests to be led up a cul-de-sac." Calderwood said many reports of safety risks could be looked at without needing to be highlighted to senior management. Sarwar said the men should be apologizing to families instead of insulting their intelligence. He said, "It is a gross insult to parents that these two men haven't offered an unreserved and unequivocal apology or shown remorse for the catastrophic failings on their watch. It took brave NHS whistleblowers who put their jobs on the line to reveal how warning signs of infection were repeatedly ignored, which these individuals were complicit in covering up. They must have seen reports when the hospital was opened which said the water supply was at high risk of infection, but still chose to open the building. Their failures and their lack of action has led to tragedy. If this had been a private sector organization they were running, there would now be a criminal investigation today." Attempts to shift the blame to politicians who are fighting for answers for bereaved parents is utterly shameful and will not be forgotten by those seeking justice. For more on this story, visit the news article link.